In the previous video, we had added our two repair once conditions which would act as our target and stop loss. In this video, we will now add the universal exit condition. And in this universal exit condition, my only condition that I want to add is that I want the time to be greater than 320. So if the time if my target and stop loss do not get achieved and the time is greater than or equal to 320, I want to take an exit in the instrument. So this is my only universal exit condition. Other than that, after adding this condition, I will close this dialog box, and now I'll look at the advanced settings. So in my price execution, I'll keep it as market price. My tranching will be 100%. In reactivate on exit, I will keep it as 6 hours. Now I'm keeping it as 6 hours because every time there's a universal exit that is triggered, I want the strategy to wait for 6 hours. So after 6 hours, the strategy will become active again. So in the active condition, in the active status, the strategy will check for entry conditions again. I do not wish to reactivate the strategy every day manually in the morning. In order to simplify it, I have the reactivate on exit, which is 6 hours. So after my universal exit gets triggered, the strategy will wait for the next 6 hours. And after those 6 hours, in the next day in the morning, the strategy will get reactivated automatically again. This means that every day at 9:20, the strategy will take an entry into the call and put, which is at the money at that point of time. I will change my condition check frequency to check continuously so that I get the highest accuracy in my strategy. And I will select start condition as 2 minutes. This is because in my entry, I'm taking an entry at 9:20 and the market opens at 9:15. So I want the strategy to start checking for my entry conditions from 9:17 onwards, so that by 9:20, when my conditions are true, the strategy can take an entry. My last condition check before exchange closes, I want to change this to 5 minutes. This is because my universal exit will get triggered at 3:20 in the afternoon. So just so that my last conditions are checked, before 3:25, I want to keep this as 5 minutes. And after doing this, I will click on update, and then I will deploy the strategy. So I'm deploying this strategy in paper trade as of now. And as you can see, my strategy has already been deployed in paper trade successfully. After running it on paper trade for at least around 5 to 6 days, once I'm sure that the conditions are working as per my logic, I would shift it to live auto. I would shift it to make it a live auto strategy. So I hope this 920 straddle strategy helped you. In our next videos, we will now discuss about how to convert your strategy into a marketplace strategy and how do you manage a portfolio of clients. So stay tuned for that video. I hope this video helped you. Thank you very much.